Welcome to Glow Tutorials Part 1 Red Eyebrows with Slits. Keep watching because I will be showing you how to do red eyebrows. Whew, baby Jesus, I finally made it to YouTube. I'll be using my LA Colors Brow Gel to brush through my very thin eyebrows to keep them in place, you know. Alrighty then, I'll be underlining my brows using the Just Pretty Lips matte lipstick in the shade Vixen, and I'll be using the BH Cosmetic angle brush just to underline my brow. And it really doesn't matter if the line is straight because we have to go in with concealer anyway to clean it. Now I'll be going on top of the brow and basically getting my shape of my brow together. Now I'll be taking my Covergirl Undercover Trublend concealer in the shade Caramel, and I will be cleaning up my brow. And as you see, I'm just nicely lining up that brow real nicely and fleekish. And now I'm going to take it from the top and we're going to blend that in so we can have that nice on fleek brow. And you have to be real careful when you're working with colorful brows, simply because you can get that color mixed with your concealer, and nah, you don't want that, baby. You don't want that. So as you can see, everything is looking nice. Now I'm going on top with the L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the color Soft Tan, I think. I will have everything in the description box below. But yeah, I think I'm using Soft Tan. And I'm just taking that shade on top. And we're just cleaning up. And I like to outline my eyebrows first, so I can know exactly like what shape I want my brows to be. Or whatever, because I have a different shape of brows like every single time. And the brush that I'm using, I got it from eBay, so it was like a set of 12 like $4 or something. So now I'm going to take more of that matte lipstick and I'm going to start shading in the brow, and I will be doing it in light strokes because I don't want the brow to be over dramatic. So I'm just going to lightly stroke it, keep stroking it until I get to the inner part of my brows. And as you can see, I'm taking it upwards, and now I'm just going to start shading it in. And now I'm going to take a spoolie and I'm just going to brush the rest of it into place. I'm going to start brushing the inner corners up in an upward motion. And then boom, we got a colored red brow. And you don't want that boxy look either, so we want to blend that out. And as you can see, I just took just a regular fluffy eyeshadow brush and with a little concealer, and I just brushed it onto it just to give me that ombre effect. And now we're going to jump to the next brow. Boom, now we are finished. Now I'm going to take that same concealer that I used to clean up my top of my brows, the L'Oreal Infallible concealer in the color Honey. The color is Honey. And we are going to do some slits. Yes, some slits. So let's jump right onto this. It's really easy. It's like nothing to it. Easy peasy, y'all. Super easy. You're just going to take a regular angle brush, put some concealer on the end, and then you're just going to just make a little short little line on your brows. Boom, you got slits. What did I say? I told you, it's easy peasy. And you can put however many slits you want in your brows. I just like the 3 on each brow. So, and that's just my preference. You don't have to put the slits in your brow if you don't want to, but I think it's a really cool idea, so I do it. Now we're gonna do something funky on the next brow. So yeah, we're gonna throw all types of lines on this brow over here. And that's really it, y'all. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, let's go into the lips. I'm gonna be using the Blips matte lipstick and Just Pretty Lips matte lipstick in Vixen. And I'm gonna take the Just Pretty Lips matte lipstick, and I want to take that one, and I'm going to outline my crusty lips with the shade first. And I am a huge fan of the heart shaped lips. I don't know why, I just love it. I don't know. I'm just a huge fan of it. I don't like the big round circle lips. Give me a little shape, honey. I need some pizzazz. Now I'm going to take an e.l.f. Cosmetic blending brush, and I'm just going to blend some of that shade out so it doesn't make any harsh lines once I add the next color. Now I'm going to take the Blips by Bria matte lipstick, and I'm going to put that in the center of my lips so we can get that nice ombre effect. And I'm going to take that same blending brush, and I'm going to blend that in with the darker shade. Because you want that ombre effect. You don't want your colors just sitting on top of each other. And then boom, easy peasy, there's nothing to it. That's all you do. And you got the perfect red ombre lips. And that's it. I thank y'all for watching, and I will see y'all in my next video. Be sure to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And I love y'all. Talk to y'all later.